The only reason I'm making this video is that because I haven't uploaded in a heck long time. But Craig V. Simeon comment saying, when will the next part come? I'm waiting for it since October 11th. Yeah, I know haven't been uploaded. I've just been lazy, so here you go. Here's part 4 of the how to make a 3D engine in Scratch. Enjoy. Now we're gonna make change Z by ZS. Now guys, I'm gonna make add block at and want to go and put X, Y, Z, T. Cool, let's go. Now guys, we want to make level, oh sorry for gaps, level, oh, and we want to go add an input. I'm going to go L, I. Now guys, we want to make cow Q late trig thou use. Oh fuck. Thou use. Okay. Now let's make that. Now game reset. You want to make it. Then we want to make render. Now guys, we want to make X, Y, clip, and now we want to make Z, clipping. Hey guys, I'm back. Now we want to make a block. We want to go change Y by, we want to grab an input and we want to go YS. Now guys, we're going to make change X by XS. Now we're going to make cal late cube location I. Now, set point 1 X1, oh, oops. X1, Y1, Z1. Now guys, I'm going to go down to this game reset. I'm going to find game reset under this pile of just this game reset. I want to grab game reset, I'm going to take it here. I'm going to go to variables and we're going to get the set variable, duplicate, sorry, duplicate, alright, okay. And we're going to go to falling root x root y. Now we're going to go to cam xx, cam xzil, cam yy, cam yzil, cam zz, cam zz, and cam zil. Oh. Now we want to go put 660. How are we going to say 160 with negative 90. And now I want to go to my blocks. I want to go level. I want to go back to variables. I want to grab level. Okay. Now guys, we're going to go to events. When one flag was clicked, set level to 1, and then we'll go down to my blocks, game reset, events, forever. Then we're going to go back down to my blocks. I'm going to find tick. Then we're going to go to we're going to go pen. We're going to go erase all. Then we're going to go back to my blocks. We're going to go render. Then we're going to go level. Pull that back up. Then we're going to go my variables. I'm going to go back. I'm going to put level there. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go to events. When flag clicked. I'm going to go to forever. I'm going to go down to my blocks. I'm going to go add block hat 1 1 1 1. Okay, and that's all for now. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.